Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey beauties, I am back to take down these pipe cleaners. So today is Saturday. I installed these on Monday and I worn them, they look a little ratchet right now. I just took my bonnet off, but I worn them all week. So from Monday until today, and I've just worn them simply like this in this style, and that's it. I kind of just got up and went. It amazes me that like my hair used to be this length, like used to be here at my ears, and like for me to be able to put these pipe cleaners in and my hair sits here, it amazes me how much my hair has grown. But yeah, so this is what they're looking like. Now we're going to start taking them down. Let's get started. To take them down, I'm just going to put a little bit of the Tilia Wahid oil on my fingertips and kind of just use it to help take the pipe cleaners out, and hopefully that like just keeps them from getting frizzy in the process. So that's one down. And to take them down, I'm just flipping the top portion that had been bent down upwards and then doing the same to the bottom. So these are kind of what the curls look like right now. They still kind of just look like the shape of the pipe cleaners. So some of them I flipped the pipe cleaner, and so because I did that, one end is unraveling while the other one isn't. So just be mindful when you're installing them to not do the flip technique that I did, because now I'm trying to figure out how to get this out of my head. Yeah, so this is what they're looking like so far. Kind of like Shirley Temple curls. So I'm gonna get the rest out and then I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I finally got them out. That took forever. And I will say that a lot of them, if you're gonna do this style and use pipe cleaners, just be careful with these edges, because the wire, it is something that has wire in it, so the wire right there will poke through, and it's just something that you want to make sure you're being careful with, because it will snag your hair. So I ran into a few instances where it got caught in my hair and I had to try to unravel it. So this is what they look like freshly out of the pipe cleaners. This is what the curls look like. Like I said, it still kind of just looks like they're in. The curls aren't as tight as I thought they would be, so that's shocking, but I'm not mad at it. So now I'm going to gently kind of separate them and give my hair some kind of shape. I'm hoping that they hold up until tomorrow. If not, it is what it is, but that's my hope. So I'm gonna just slightly pull them apart. I'm probably not gonna separate all of them because I want to have some curls, but just enough to kind of give my hair some body. look like right now. I just separated a few. Some of them are still a little chunky, and I'm trying to figure out how I want to wear them. I had rolled them so I could have a bang, but it's giving mushroom, so I don't know if I want to wear them this way anymore. So I'm about to play with it a little bit to figure out how I want to wear them. I'm going to mess with them a little bit, and then I'm going to get dressed and do something to my face, and I'll be back to show y'all the final results. Okay, y'all, so I am back to show you the final results of my hair. The only thing I did was kind of shake my head a little bit, and then I decided to just do a side part instead of the bang. Tomorrow I may do the bang when my hair is a little looser. So I also did spray my hair with a little bit of holding spray because I really want my hair to last for tomorrow. Tomorrow's our gender reveal, so I'm trying to be cute. But yeah, so I did spray my hair with a little bit of holding spray just to get me through the day, and then I followed up using the Curl Shine by D.O.M.E that y'all see me use multiple times, just to give the curls some sheen and to try to get some of that hard cast off that the holding spray would leave. So these are the final results. I do really like it. You get a much tighter curl. And I'll bring it in closer so you can see. But yeah, so I do like it. Like I said, with the pipe cleaners, you just want to make sure that you're not getting that wire caught in your hair so you don't snag it. And then making sure that you kind of have a consistent roll when you're installing the pipe cleaner, so when you unravel, it'll be a nice seamless curl at the end versus having to like frizz it up trying to untangle your hair from the pipe cleaner. So I'll give y'all some 360 views, and I will talk to y'all on the next one. Let me know what y'all think about this look down below. Do you prefer the pipe cleaner style with the pipe cleaner still installed, or do you like just having the curls? Comment down below.